Hello dears, I'm Nili from Gila Fruits Company. Today I want to talk about how to buy Iranian export garlic with high quality and reasonable price. Join us to know how to export it. The benefits of garlic include that improve our immune system, our blood pressure, hair and skin freshness, and a thousand of other benefits. Fresh garlic is harvested in a late spring, and dry garlic is the same properties of fresh garlic. In Iran, export garlic has many fans in vegetable and fruit markets all of the world, countries such as Russia, Uzbekistan, Iraq, Turkey, Kuwait, and other Arab countries. Most of this vegetable is exported to Russia due to climate condition of that country. Gila Fruit uses sorting and packing to sort the quality to export that countries requested us. What is the price of Iranian export garlic? In Iran, every day the price of garlic comes up and down. Of course, Gila Fruits Company always offer products with quality and reasonable price. If you want, you can call to our sales experts and know about for free. Thanks for listening to me. Please follow Gila Fruits Company and like me. See you soon.